Ladies and gentlemen, this is the whole perimeter kitchen that we are going to do right here. These are ray wall cabinets. So I believe this is an original kitchen. It has been upgraded with new hardware, new countertops throughout. They are metal lined drawers. So we're gonna sell it all the way from here, all the way around. Top cabinet, pantry, and side kitchen. You got plenty of drawers, starting with the pantries. Double pantry has slide out drawers. So the pantry alone measures 49.5 inches across, 98 inches tall, 23.5 inches deep. This section right here, overall, or this section right here measures 98 3/4 from there to here. This little nook area measures 38 inches across. This area right here is 39 inches. And 3 cabinets right here, you got a double, double, and single. That is 89 inches, 47 inches tall. So that's this side. This side of the kitchen, it's also going to include a Bosch dishwasher and a Jenn-Air countertop burner. So this, it's not Calacatta. I believe it's man-made. It's really nice. It's got new faucet, new sink, Bosch dishwasher. So this section measures from that corner all the way to here, measures 151 inches. Okay, and then from this corner to this corner is 53.5 inches. It's got a sit-down area bar. This measures 63 inches to here. And from here to here is 96 inches. It's 18.5 inches deep, 43.5 inches tall. So this is probably a built-in. Then you have this side. So you have some cabinets right here, which is 67.5 inches by 47, same as the other ones. And then from this corner to that corner is 64 inches. This one's 65 inches. From here to here is 56. 56. Okay. Overall, from there to there is 173 inches. Again, it's a lot of numbers. Anybody that wants to take a look at it, we are going to have a preview. It does have the Jenn-Air cooktop. And there's a lot of cabinets. How many cabinets do we have here, Mike? How many uppers and how many lowers?
Okay, uppers, we have altogether 15 uppers, including the side perimeter. And altogether, we have 15 lowers.
15 lowers.
Including the side.
It does have a little chip right there. This is the garbage disposal area. Pots and pans. Again, it is an older kitchen, but it's in good condition. Again, I don't know what's behind what I see, ladies and gentlemen. We sold the kitchen the other day. And listen, I don't know what these kitchens are made of, what I don't see. Other than what I see, listen, like I always say, it is what it is. It's a ray wall kitchen. If you're interested in this kitchen, Patrick will take it completely apart. Every cabinet will be completely taken apart. All the trim, all the countertops, you name it. It's a lot of cabinets.